Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming credentials and driver availability so you can connect without interruption. Enter host, port, database, username, and password, then choose the client or library that matches your stack. Once done, run a quick connect and close test from the CLI or a tiny script to validate network and auth. This early verification prevents wasted time later and gives you a reliable session for the actual data work that follows. You now craft the query with intent. Select only needed columns, add where to filter, and apply limit to reduce payload. Use parameterized queries or prepared statements to keep data safe and reusable. That also speeds parsing. If results are large, make sure to stream using a cursor or paginate with offset/limit or keyset pagination to avoid memory spikes. Finally, map the result rows to your in-memory structures, or write. You finish by transforming and validating the retrieved data. Coerce types, handle nulls, and confirm row counts meet expectations. Then persist results to your chosen sink, CSV, JSON, or another database, using transactions to ensure atomicity. Commit only after integrity checks pass. If something goes wrong, roll back, inspect the logged error rows, and retry from the last successful batch. Troubleshooting tip: when results differ, rerun the filtered query with count and sample rows to spot mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.